Hey everyone, how's it going? So we're gonna go over now how to save you the most time when building your landing page in Replo. This is for all e-commerce brands. It's gonna save you lots of time. Basically, when you go into Replo, got different pages, listicles, whatever. Now, what I wanna do is we create a new page. The thing that's gonna save you the most time is don't spend your time creating blank pages. Replo has amazing templates. The templates they have are next level, are top notch, high quality. Start from here, start template, and you've just got a lot of things. You've got landing pages, advertorials, listicles, product drops. You can even go by sections. If you do by chance want to start with a blank page, and then you can go by their, templated components, which I do a lot of times as well myself. For purposes of this video, what I'll say is, let's say, okay, we start with something simple, contrasting. Let's do this page, this template right here, test page 3. No, hide the header footer. Again, unless the client really wants it, I always don't do it. So now we've got a good structure. So this is when basically you would go ahead, edit things. Let's say this background right here, this is something, it's a color background, but let's say you want the whole image. So what I would do is this hero section, you see fixed height, fixed width 100%. What you can do, let's say if you want some type of gradient, or you want an image that's fit for this, what you'll do is you'll design in Figma, do 600 pixels, and let's say it's 600 by 600 px. Yeah, no. Generally, when you're going with widths in desktop, go for 1200. I would say if you're gonna really design this background, do 1200 pixel width, and now 600 height. Height is the thing that's the most important you're gonna wanna get from Replo. And here you can go in, you can change buttons, fonts, colors. Here you can upload custom fonts if you need. This section usually bundles. I don't usually do bundle sections, so I would just delete this. Why our product, why the bundle, go into different sections. Get a review section. Let's say here, I want to add reviews. Now I want to add components, browse, template library. We got all here, which is really good. This is just nice. You get all types, styles, different button styles, different, let's say, testimonials. You want to have a few reviews, a lot of reviews, picture reviews, however you want to do it. I usually like to have video best if possible. So let's say this one.